Liris Chica Doray Bailina ni inaming pinagpray talaga na mapunta siya sa mapagmahal na in-laws. At yung pinagpray niya lang noon ay natupad na ngayon. Ito ang naging pahayag niya sa harap ng media. Yes, I pray that I marry into a family with love. It's so important to have loving in-laws. At natupad na ngayon yon. I marry into a family where I feel like they're my second parents and siblings.